Hello, I'm in a 2008 Dodge Nitro, and today I'm going to show you how you would add coolant. So first you open the hood, and then right in the center here you'll find your reservoirs here with your cap that goes to your radiator, and then this cap goes to the top of your coolant reservoir. And on the side of this big coolant reservoir you'll see a max line and a minimum line, so you don't fill it all the way to the top. There's supposed to be a little air gap. And for your coolant cap here, don't work with any of this system while the vehicle's on or hot, so make sure everything's cooled down and off. Just because this system works under pressure and gets to a boil, you don't want a bunch of poisonous boiling liquid to shoot out onto you. And double check your owner's manual or get online search that you've got the best type of coolant for your make and model. And also typically you want to match the same color and type of coolant to what's already in here. But when you're ready, just pop this open, and then either with the funnel or straight from your diluted coolant jug, fill as needed till you're around the max line, and then close this nice and tight when you're done. And then to open this, if you need to check in your radiator, just push down slightly and twist about twice. This pops right off and you'll see coolant right in the middle. And then you can add directly here if needed. Screw this back on nice and tight by pushing down and twisting again about twice. And you want to make sure that especially is on tight, just since the system is under pressure. You don't want coolant spraying out while you're driving. Once you've made it that far, I would turn the motor on for a few minutes, circulate the new coolant through the whole system. And while that's running, check around your engine bay, under your radiator, on the ground, underneath the vehicle. Make sure there's no coolant forming. If you do see coolant puddles forming somewhere, that's an indication there's probably a leak or crack somewhere in that area of the motor, the reservoir, or the radiator. And a way to tell that apart from, say, water condensation that might be forming is if it's coolant, it would have a slight coloration to it. It'd have a slight sweetness smell. And you don't really want it on your skin. Let's say you have a glove on and feel it, it'll feel slightly slick compared to water. But I hope that's helpful. Hope you have a great day.